Tools needed for this install is a quarter ratchet, quarter 3-inch extension, quarter short 10mm socket, small flathead, plastic panel popper, and a Phillips screwdriver. Welcome to Spyder Auto. Today I'll show you how to install Spyder taillights on a 2019 and up Jeep Wrangler. So let's pop that tailgate open and get started. So here we're going to be uninstalling the passenger side taillight. So first we're going to grab our panel popper and we're going to remove this cap. So in this slot right here, we're going to push it. We're going to push it up and then pop it open. And underneath the cap, we have a 10mm bolt. Go ahead and remove that. So here's the 10mm bolt. After removing your 10mm bolt, we're ready to unseat the taillight. So go ahead and just carefully pull it back. So here on the back, we have the connector here. So you're gonna carefully lift it up and slide it off the bracket. And then you're gonna slide back the red clip to unlock it. And you're gonna press down on the tab to disconnect your harness. Next, we're gonna be transferring over the bracket from your factory taillight to your new taillight. So flip it over here to the back. We're gonna remove 3 Phillips screws so that we can transfer this bracket over to your new taillight. And on the other side here, there's a clip holding down the bracket. So after you remove your 3 Phillips screws, go ahead and carefully pop it off. Now go ahead and grab your Spyder taillight, flip it to the back here. You're gonna move these wires out of the way. Then you're gonna grab your bracket, place it on top, pop the clip in, line up your holes, reinstall your 3 Phillips screws. Next, we're gonna mount the harness connector back onto the bracket. So right here is a clip. You wanna carefully slide the connector onto it. You wanna be gentle because it's plastic and it'll crack. Now we're ready to install our Spyder taillight. Go ahead and bring over your Spyder taillight, flip it over to the back. Go ahead and connect your harness. Go ahead and seat your taillight back in place. Reinstall your 10mm bolt. Then reinstall your cap. We're gonna put this side in first, and then we're gonna push this side down. After installing your passenger side taillight, let's repeat the same process to the opposite side. Now that we're finished installing our taillights, let's close the tailgate and test all the taillight functions.